Contraction of a skeletal muscle. There's two types of graded responses: twitch, which is a single brief contraction, or tetanus, which is a summing of contractions. Unfused, incomplete tetanus, which means some relaxation occurs between contractions. Fused, complete tetanus, where there's no evidence of relaxation before the following contractions. Muscle response to strong stimuli. Muscle force depends on a number of fibers stimulated. Energy for muscle contraction. Initially, muscles use stored ATP for energy. Bonds of ATP are broken to release energy, and only 4 to 6 seconds worth of ATP is stored by muscles. Aerobic respiration, a series of metabolic pathways that occur in the mitochondria. Glucose is broken down to carbon dioxide and water, releasing energy, and this is a slower reaction that requires continuous oxygen. Muscle fatigue and oxygen debt. When a muscle is fatigued, it is unable to contract. The common reason for muscle fatigue is oxygen debt. There's types of muscle contractions, which is isotonic contractions, where myofilaments are able to slide past each other, or isometric contractions, where tension in the muscles increase. Muscle tone. Some fibers are contracted even in a relaxed muscle, and different fibers contract at different times to provide muscle tone. Muscles and body movements. Movement is attained due to a muscle moving attached to a bone. Effects of exercise on muscles. Results of increased muscle use: increase in muscle size, increase in muscle strength, increase in muscle efficiency, and the muscle becomes more fatigue resistant. Types of ordinary body movements: flexion, extension, rotation, abduction, and circumduction. Special movements: dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, inversion, eversion, supination, pronation, and opposition. Types of muscles: the prime mover, muscle with the major responsibility for a certain movement. Antagonist is the muscle that opposes or reverses a prime mover. And synergist, the muscle that aids a prime mover in a movement and helps prevent rotation. Fixator stabilizes the origin of a prime mover. Inner fish structures. The depressor annuli oris, the facial muscle that is associated with frowning, and the corrugator supercilii, close to the eye. It draws the eyebrows together. Hernia occurs when part of the organ slides through the muscles and is commonly found in the abdominal region of the body. The reason for that is the intestines are very malleable and are able to more easily slide through muscles.